Hi everyone, I want to show you a quick video to teach you how to look up the ads that anyone on Facebook is running. So you see I've navigated to a website. It's got a bunch of extra gibberish at the end here, but you can remove all that. And I'll copy and paste this to the comment section. You'd essentially just navigate here and then search for the company you're looking for. So if you see someone talking about how they're running this ad and it's performing really well, we see that a lot of time, at least in my industry. I sell real estate. A lot of people are saying, "Oh, I'm running this great ad. I'm getting leads for $1 or $2," and so I want to know what the ad is they're running so I can get an idea if it's worthwhile to mimic it or to continue doing what I'm doing. So, for example, this is my Facebook business page. Now, if you just saw an individual post, you might have to look on their page and try to figure out where their business page is because the ads aren't coming from personal pages; they're coming from business pages. So this is my business page, the Marriott Group at Keller Williams Realty. So you can look this up. I've already searched for it, but you would just search for the Marriott Group at Keller Williams Realty. There it is. And boom, it pops up any current ads that are being run. Here's one I'm running right now in Spanish. It's a really high producing ad. I'm getting leads for about $1 a pop. And I'll do a follow-up video to show you how I create ads, at least for real estate. It can be applied to any business, but specifically for real estate. If you click on ad details, you can see a little more information. I have 6 pictures or 7 pictures running. They all have this red border at the bottom, which I created with a program called Command that's available from Keller Williams. And I run a very similar English-speaking ad, just not currently running it. And you can see a little more information. The links that it's going to my website and to the KW privacy policy, along with what my ad form, the lead form, is asking for. I'm asking for an email, a full name, and a phone number. Facebook actually automatically populates that for people, so it's pretty easy to pull an email, phone number. This can be used for any business. An example I did was Nike. You search Nike and see what they're running. They're running tons of ads. Any business that you search is most likely running ads. Not all the time, especially the smaller businesses, but you can see what's being run. If you subscribe, I'll make some more videos on how to create top producing ads.